G'day tubers, this is going to be a quick one on making a snare out of 22 gauge wire. If yours is all kinked up and not nice like this, use a part of your bench vise or a rod like this. Put it on there and pull the wire through tight, and you'll get rid of all the kinks. And plus it'll put in a nice little curve in for you. So do that first, and then I like using a screwdriver that's not too thin. This isn't a screwdriver, by the way. Anyways, I like doing 2 loops first, and then using my screwdriver or whatever, I'm going to twist the screwdriver. Meanwhile, it's going to be twisting the tie, the metal. And I like cutting this end off here. Some people leave it on. I snip it off, pull this off, and here's a nice perfect loop. So straighten it up a little bit. Put this end in your loop that you just made, and make this about so your fist can get through, and put a nice shape of a round circle there, and then use the excess length here to tie around a branch wherever you're going to have this hanging, either like that or this way. So, and this will actually strangle and kill the rabbit. That's it. Thanks for watching.